What's up, everybody? Brian BH35 Sports Cards rocking 2015 Diamond Kings, Gridiron Kings football. This is our 5-box break number 2. Your teams are in the team draw section in the store. I'm going to rip these boxes, pull out the packs. Guys are still trading. Go ahead and keep doing that. You got a little bit of time left. Crazy Carl won the silver packs that Irving sent me, so courtesy of Monera Sports Cards. There you go. 13 packs coming to you. I'll rip them right now if you want, or I'll send them to you sealed. It's just the radio right now. Remy Boys is close to Credence, though, right? They don't have classic rocks radio stations in Miami. Maybe in Spanish. Seahawks, Vikings confirmed. Is Pitbull on the radio a lot where you guys live? Oh, it's a big Miami thing. Every 15 minutes there's a Pitbull song. You can't get away from it because they have more Spanish stations, I think, than they do English stations, and he's on both. He's all over the place. It's crazy. All right, I had one trade. You guys good? Whatever. I'll just start ripping. Pitbull's 95. No Kid Reporter spot. I save all the Kid Reporter cards for my buddy Lance L. Nelson. He's got 3 kids, trying to get them to the Super Bowl. So I got over 1,000 of them so far to send them. Ends 1/17/2016, so I should probably send them soon. Send them after we're done with the last 5 boxes of Gridiron. He said, damn it, there's probably a cracked ice 1-1 kid reporter card in this. Does that say disguise? Someone's name is really disguised? That's not deceiving. I don't follow Frankie. I don't follow on that one. He lost it in a bet. Yeah. He almost lost his neck in a bet. All right, let's look at some cards. Sorry. Jeremy Macklin, Tom Brady, Nick O'Leary, Mike Evans, Max Williams, patch, Vince Mayle, it's 49. That is for Eaterks. Taylor Gabriel, Walter Payton, Matt Jones, Warren Moon. Going to the Titans. These are all base cards. So actually I should check for the college card. Yeah, Vince Mayle. Tannehill, Roger Staubach, Mari Cooper, DT, Johnny Football, Marcus Golden, Matt Stafford, Marcus Allen, Rashad Perriman, Luke Kuechly, Aficionado, Drew Brees, Chris Conley, Demaryius Thomas, Marshall Faulk, and Randy Gregory, Jeremy Hill, Franco Harris, Sean Mannion, Paul P., Terry Bradshaw. That's pretty sick right there. Stat Kings, DeMarco Murray. Eagles. Well, the Eagles got comboed up somewhere, I think. Maybe not. Yeah. NBL. Heater continues. Combo spot for the win. Mike Wallace, Eddie Lacy, Trey Waynes, Andrew Luck, Clay Matthews, Kenny Bell, and a bunch of base. I guess the college uniform cards are pretty short printed, so thumb through these real quick, try to find one. Nothing in there, let's move on. Roethlisberger, Des Bryant, Rod Woodson, Buck Allen. You guys want to do a hit draft after this? Triple Threads 5-star, 6-spotter. Marcus Golden, a couple Troy Aikmans, Gronk, Lyle Davis, Doral Green Beckham, Arian Foster, Devin Smith, tiny jersey of Jameis Winston. It's out of 249 for the Bucks. I think that's Buzz. Adrian Peterson, Mike Davis, Cam, Gronk, Philip Dorsett, Matt Forte, kicker card, Brett Hundley, Andy Dalton, Warren Moon, Kevin Johnson, Sam Bradford, Tony Dorsett, Amari Cooper, Peyton Manning, Walter Payton, David Cobb, LaShawn McCoy, Neon Dion in a Falcons uniform. That guy. Oh, missed a Jeremy Langford to 249. Autograph. Jeez. Good thing we are thumbing through these. Bears is Buzz. D-Nuke, Franco Harris, Troy Aikman. Joseph Randall, Deion Sanders, Amir Abdullah. It's just one of those products that it's easier to go one pack at a time. Kicker card again. What's the score in the game? I turned it off. Gale Sayers. Rain delay. What inning are they in? Seven? Colston, Gronk, Carlos Williams. Deshaun Jackson, Todd Gurley, and Teddy Bridgewater. They forgot the relic. It's out of 199 for the Vikings. Bass Kisser. I think he likes to fish. Ethan. AP. Mike Evans. Melvin Gordon. I got all excited. I thought that was going to be a Mike Evans auto. How often do you go fishing, Bill? Alex Smith, Magic Man. Oh, you do tournaments. I watch people fish every week. Todd Gurley. Oh, that's nice. Amir Abdullah. Really like those. Sketches and swatches. Lions. Big Pharma. Go down to the marina and hang out. Mark Ingram, Des Bryant, a green John Stallworth. These framed cards, none of them are numbered. Imagine that some of the colored ones are more short printed than others. You know, if you're into rare cards. Macklin, Tom Brady, Leonard Williams. Odell Beckham, John Stallworth, Matt Jones, Joe Namath, green. Marshawn Lynch, Devin Funchess. Lynch looked good this week. Fast. Kaepernick, Barry Sanders, Stephon Diggs. What's up, Merker? Jumbo Gorilla's in the house. What's up, buddy? Tevin Coleman, 249. Out of nowhere, the Falcons have a mean running game. Fred Jackson, Speed Racer X. Yeah, they are rare. I think they're 2 per case. It's amazing when they mix in the college uniforms and the NFL products. People are like, oh yeah, I want the college. But when they do an all college one, people are like, oh, I hate it. No pro uniforms. Yeah, playing injured. Toughen it out. Got in a bar fight with an alligator and I lost. Andre Johnson. Ooh, Devin Funchess. He went to the worst college ever. Carolina Panthers is Buzz. Freaking Kobe. There we go. Well, Patch J.I. He needs to play. To 49 for the Dolphins. Oh, I didn't know they did those in this. Troy Brown, Super Bowl auto. Heck yeah, Patriots combo spot. Crazy Carl. Dude, that team has virtually no talent. It's terrible. It's hard to watch. Yeah, I mean, he doesn't. There's nobody to block. The offensive line went from freaking amazing to dumpster fire. Yeah, it went from amazing to a dumpster fire. Who's the backup though? Who's the backup there? Yes, Atlanta is good and they are explosive. It will be interesting to see what happens when Julio gets hurt, though. And they take two guys off the one player. Start shoving 8 in the box. Blaine Gabbert. Go buy up some Blaine Gabbert cards. He's gonna kill a lineman with his 115-mile-an-hour screen pass. Yeah. Hi, my name's Tevin Coleman, and this is a Shield. Falcons, boom, JRT 50, 1 of 1. Boom. Shield toss. That's 2 shields we've pulled out of this now. Out of 1 case. Stuff's maybe a little boring to watch, but it's got some nice stuff in it. Big Sherm. Derek Carr, Devonta Parker. All right, that'll do it. I'll run you through a little hit recap real quick. Not many numbered cards, really, other than the hits. So you had your Shield, Tevin Coleman, 101. Boom, nice card. Had a Troy Brown, Super Bowl. Patch of J.I. Patch of Vince Mail. Dem Funches, Sketches and Swatches, Tevin Coleman, Amir Abdullah, Teddy Bridgewater, Jeremy Langford, DeMarco Murray, and Jameis Winston. So pretty nice. 5-box break again. Thanks, guys.